Hi, I'm Ben with Clive Coffee, and today we'll be showing you how to set up your Baratza Sette 270Wi Espresso grinder. Let's get started. Step 1. Out of the box and onto the counter. Remove the grinder from its box and place it on a solid, level surface. Inspect the grinder for any damage. If you notice any, contact us immediately. Insert the hopper by aligning the 3 prongs and rotate a quarter turn clockwise to lock into place. Plug the grinder in. It will turn itself on. If your display ever goes to sleep, just press the stop button to wake it up. Step 2. Feeling the coffee. Press and hold the play button until you activate pulse mode. Put some beans in the hopper and manually grind them into your hand. For espresso, they should feel similar to table salt, not as fine as powdered sugar and not as coarse as sand. If the grounds are too fine, make one macro adjustment coarser. If the grounds are too coarse, make one macro adjustment finer. Then repeat the previous step. We find that the espresso setting is generally around 11E. Step 3. Dialing the dose. Once the grind is in the ballpark, it's time to start pulling shots. The 270Wi's weight-based dosing makes this wonderfully easy. Simply place the portafilter into the holder, ensuring that the adjustable upper paddle and arms hold it securely. Use the arrows to set the weighted dose you'd like, then hold down a numbered dose button to save that setting. Press play. The grinder will now tear the weight of the portafilter, begin grinding, and stop when it reaches the target dose. It's worth noting that the Sette 270Wi is also an amazing single dosing grinder. Its conical burrs and vertical grind path make for almost no grind retention. If you plan to single dose, press and hold the play button again to activate pulse mode. Then simply weigh 18 grams of coffee for a double spout portafilter or 20 grams of coffee for a bottomless portafilter and manually grind them through. If you'd like to keep your coffee sealed and fresh as possible, or change frequently between single origins, blends, even decafs, single dosing is an excellent solution. Keep in mind, we've found that single dosing does require a finer grind than the aforementioned 11E. Step 4. Adjustments, shot time. Now, compress the coffee with your tamper. Remember, a specific tamping pressure is less important than making sure your tamp is level and consistent. Insert your portafilter and start the shot. We're going to be watching for the time of the first drops of espresso to fall between 6 and 10 seconds. If they fall outside this window, we'll have to adjust the grind setting. Under 6 seconds will result in a fast shot that tastes thin and sour. Rotate the micro adjustment gradually finer. If the shots are over 10 seconds, they'll be bitter. Rotate the micro adjustment gradually coarser. These small adjustments will be easier than making big changes and overcorrecting. As the shot progresses, we'll observe the total shot time. Our target output is 1.5 ounces or 30 grams of liquid espresso in 25 to 30 seconds. If your shot time is off by more than 10 seconds, rotate the macro adjustment ring 1 click. If your shot time is within 10 seconds, rotate the micro adjustment ring 1 letter at a time until you achieve your target. For more tips on coffee technique and recipes, check out these videos here. And for more coffee know-how, don't forget to check back in at clivecoffee.com.